Hello guys, welcome to SkyWaTech. In this video, let us see how to recover your deleted files or data from your USB sticks or hard drives. Let's get started. Before doing so, you need two softwares. One is Photorec, which is an open source digital picture recovery software, or simply we can say as data carving tool. It's nothing but it's just used to get the deleted files. And another software is FTK Imager. FTK Imager is used to get the disk image of the USB sticks or hard drive. FTK Imagers get the bit by bit copy of the hard drive or USB sticks. Before starting, install these two softwares, FTK Imager and Photorec, which is quite simple. I'll leave the links of the software down below in the description section. Please do visit and download the software. For Photorec, you need to set a path variable, which is quite simple. Let us see practically how it works. Let me insert my USB stick. You can see I have inserted my USB stick. My USB stick is pretty empty. So I have a few sample pictures. Let me copy paste those pictures into this USB stick. You can see I have pasted few sample images into my USB stick. Let me delete those pictures. You can see I have deleted all the pictures which I have moved into the USB stick. Let me go to recycle bin and delete those pictures. You can see all the pictures have got vanished. Now the real process begins. Now you have to generate a disk image of the USB stick. Go to FTK Imager and select File, Create Disk Image. As our USB stick is a physical drive, select Physical Drive and then select Next. And then select our USB stick. Then hit Finish. Now try to add file format. Just give a random description of the disk image. Now set up a destination folder. I will like to choose a folder which is on my desktop named Disk Images. Then give a file name. Set the image fragment size to 0 so that there are no fragments for our disk image. Set up any name. Now try to hit Finish and then click on Start. It takes a few minutes to generate the image. It will be a size of 15 GB as we are doing a bit by bit copy of my USB stick. Wait for a few minutes and you will have the copy of our disk image. Till then I will show you the Photorec folder. When you download the Photorec folder, it will be downloaded as test disk. Then copy paste that into C drive. When you open the test disk folder, you will have the application icon Photorec_win and set up a path variable for that. You can see it is taking up some time to copy the contents. Now you can see our disk image has been generated. Copy the path of the disk image folder. Now open CMD and navigate to path of the disk image folder. Now we are in the path of disk image folder. Let us list out our files in that. You can see our disk image. Now enter this command Photorec_in space name of the disk image file. Yeah, you can see the disk image file. Now hit proceed. Generally FAT32 file system workouts for every disk image file. Now go to file opt and select the files that you want to recover. Go to files and select the file type that you want to recover. We have JPEG files. Hit B option to select and hit OK. Now select FAT32 and press enter. Now hit enter again. Now select the whole partition to recover our files. Now select a folder where you want to save the recovered files. I want to select the same folder where my disk image is there. Hit enter and enter C when you select the destination folder. Here you can see 3 JPEG files are discovered. Now let us move to the disk image folder and here you can see dir.1 folder. Open that. Yeah, you can see all the images which I have deleted have been recovered. That's it for this video. If you like the content, do subscribe for Skyway Tech.